removing the cooling fan. So you need an open spanner like this. It's a special one, which is so you can get in between the bolts and the actual fan blades. So the first thing you need to do is to unscrew the coupling with the spanner, and then basically you can just turn it to get it off. So be careful at the end so you don't drop it and or damage the threads. And so same procedure to get it to refit it. Be careful with the threads. You don't have to tighten it much. When you run it, it will tighten itself. If you have trouble while removing the wheel, the pulley wheel, either pulley wheel is turning, you can use a screwdriver in between the bolts to counter the momentum to get it loose. Yep, that's it. Good luck. When taking the fan off, I didn't have the special tools, so I made my own. It's just two plates connected to the bolts. This will in turn hit the crank pulley wheel. Then you remove this bolt so you get access with the wrench on the fan nut. Then you turn it counterclockwise to get it loose. So that worked, but I'm gonna order the special tools so that I have them.